Hello, my name is María Alejandra Salazar Cañas. In this video, I am going to present the recipe for Colombian empanadas. Recipe: empanadas or Colombia de facto street food found on virtually every street corner. These deep fried buckets of goodness are a perfect cook, breakfast, or late night snack. Derived from the empanada, the Spanish word empanado, which means to warm or coat in bread. Empanadas are essentially small, sweet sides found packed with any number of ingredients. Depending on where you are in Colombia, you can find empanadas filled with chorizo, beef, chicken, or cheese, and Spanish in their more vulnerable communities. This is my recipe of empanadas Colombianas. Thank you.